Hey there, Sally. How's your homework going?
Hey, Dad. Not so great. I don't really understand any of it.
Well, maybe if you paid more attention in school, then you wouldn't be struggling so much.
But Dad, school sucks and, I don't understand what my teacher's saying. I don't get it.
Does your child find school disengaging? Does your child have trouble with their coursework? Well, look no further than the Bill Nye box set. For just 3 easy payments of $9.99, Bill Nye himself can help your child learn and have fun doing it. But don't take my word for it. Here's little Sally.
So when I'm in Mrs. Finkelberry's class, I can't really pay attention. And then, she just goes on and on about things that I don't even know what she's talking about. But then when I watch Bill Nye videos, it's just, it's so interesting and I can't help but, pay attention. And he shows, really cool experiments and it really gets me to understand the concepts. So Bill Nye videos, he shows a lot of experiments and visual representations. And I really like that because sometimes when Bill tries to explain a concept, I don't really understand it. But then when he really shows the experiment, it really clicks for me and then I understand what he's trying to say. So I really like when Bill Nye asks me questions. I know it's just a video, but it really helps me understand the concepts and to really internalize the information. But sometimes in class when I don't understand what Mrs. Finkelberry is trying to say, when Bill Nye uses really cool analogies and real world examples, it really helps me understand the concepts.
I was skeptical at first, but then I tried watching a few videos with Sally and I loved them. Bill Nye uses simple explanations so I can learn all the concepts too. It's really great that I don't have to push Sally because it's entertainment that she's really willing to watch on her own. Bill Nye videos have lots of scientific concepts that help Sally critically think. Each video also challenges her growth on learned concepts that she gets both in school and on her own. It's really great that Sally is so excited to watch Bill Nye videos because that means I don't have to nag her to do something productive. I also really like the fact that Sally can watch the videos anywhere. All that for 3 easy payments of $9.99? Yes, please.
As an expert, I can attest to the educational value of the Bill Nye the Science Guy videos. At this age, we see adolescents' cognitive skills become more complex in order to analyze, comprehend, and think critically about more difficult topics in science. Aware of his audience's cognitive abilities, Bill Nye uses experiments that demonstrate the scientific method, which aids the development of logical and sequential thinking and inductive and deductive reasoning. Each episode is structured to move quickly enough to keep the interest of teens, while also challenging its viewers to understand scientific topics. Bill Nye uses his energetic persona to attract viewers to participate and be interested in science. This not only encourages students to learn relevant course material, but also makes it okay to be excited about science.
While Bill Nye the Science Guy videos are useful when watched at home, it is more effective when used in the classroom. With the teacher available answering student questions about the course material, students can be more actively engaged in the material.
You and I are animals.
And like all animals, we control everything we do with our brains. Whether we're talking, waving, just sort of thinking about stuff, we do it all with our brains. Now, compared to the size of our bodies, humans have the largest brain of any animal on Earth. Now, you may have heard people say, you only use 10% of your brain. Well, that's not true. Use 100% of your brain all day and all night, even while you're asleep. You'll do it all with your brain. Suppose I want to do this, or decide to do this. I'm using my brain. Throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw. Or picking up off the floor. It's all done with your brain.
The brain is a group of special cells that can send tiny electrical signals all over your body through something called the central nervous system. It's a bundle of nerve cells that runs inside your spine and then branches out all over the place. Nerve cells are able to send tiny electrical signals with very small chemical changes. It's kind of wild. That's what happens every time you move or think.
Bill Nye Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill